Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the Vue model. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the Vue model is a directive in the Vue JS that creates two-way binding on form input elements or components. It binds the input to a data property and automatically updates the data property when the input changes and the vice versa. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is the component. Let's paste it. Okay, save it. Let's go. And whatever we can type over here, can see it type over here, right? So I will type Rajni, right? So whatever changes in this input box reflects the changes in this message field, right? Let's understand this. Here you can see that we have a template, we have a div input field bound with v model. So here we have a v model is message, and by default the message is blank. Data property bound to the input, so this data property is bound to this input, right? You type whatever it reflect over here. So vmodel message directive binds the input field to the message data property. Any changes made in the input field automatically update the message data property. The content of the message data property is displayed below the input field. Okay. Then two-way binding. vmodel provides the two-way binding, meaning changes in the data property will reflect in the input field, and the changes in the input field will reflect in the data property. View, this is data property, right? vmodel simplifies the process of creating forms and working with user inputs by establishing a convenient two-way binding between the input elements and the data properties or the components. So this is that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. And those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.